Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best 4-wheeler for 10-year-olds in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Segway Ninebot Electric GoKart Drift Kit. It is a completely functional based vehicle that can run for around 13.7 miles at a speed of around 10 miles per hour. It has a non-inflatable hollow tire which is a lot convenient to maintain and give your kid an enjoyable ride. This drift vehicle gives an overall amazing racing experience. It is featured with the handbrake as well as brake pedal for switching in between the backward and forward direction. It has a high steering ratio of around 2.1 to 1 for extra precision steering. This 4-wheeler for 9-year-old gas is perfect for kids and adults to have the ultimate riding experience. The steering wheel height, as well as adjusted frame length, can easily accommodate the riders at the height of 4'3" inch to 6 feet 5 inches tall. They can easily handle the load of 220 pounds. It is portable and light in weight to take it along with you on travel. Number 2. Our second best pick is TaoTao Smart 50 cubic centimeters gas fully automatic street legal scooter. Smart Deals Now is offering you with the scooter model that has been 80% assembled in the complete metal crate model finishing. This gas-powered 4-wheeler for 7-year-old scooter is becoming one of the top most recommended scooters in the market for the young kids. It is installed with a durable 50 cubic centimeters engine which will enable the scooter to run at the fastest speed of around 35 miles per hour. In its additional features, it offers tail light, headlights, turn signals as well as the horn. The gas-powered 4-wheeler for a 7-year-old scooter has been adjusted with the locking mechanism for the steering column which will keep your scooter safe against theft. The trunk has been lockable and is available with 2 keys to keep your belongings all safe and secure. You will also view under-seat storage access that can easily store your regular medium-sized helmet. It is lockable. Number 3. Our third best pick is Coleman Powersports Off-Road GoKart. This amazing small gas-powered 4-wheeler product of 4-wheeler vehicles is superbly powerful and efficient in working. It is included with a fully automatic 4-stroke of OHV 1-cylinder engine using 196 cubic centimeters by 6.5 horsepower. This engine capacity will enable you to travel through the rough trails throughout the whole day where it will stay fuel efficient for a long time. It is amazingly smooth and easy to work with. It has been included with easy pull start operation along with the torque converter CVT system. This makes it turn out to be one of the most ideal go-karts for the driver. It has low-pressure tires that bring extra smoothness in the whole ride even if you are on rugged terrain. It has a padded seating arrangement with the storage rack in the middle of it. This gas-powered 4-wheeler for a 10-year-old can carry the load of 400 pounds at the high speed of around 31 miles per hour, which is ideal for 13+. This would also be a perfect small gas-powered 4-wheeler for a 9-year-old. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is 110 cubic centimeters ATV For Kids carbon fiber. This has been an excellent option of gas-powered 4-wheeler 50 cubic centimeters for your kids who are at the age of 9 years old. This vehicle offers 4 strokes alongside with the single-cylinder engine. Besides excellent performance, this vehicle has superior safety for the rider due to which the manufacturing company has included it with an effective disc operating braking system for a 9-year-old kid. This best 4-wheeler for 9-year-old easy to operate through additional access tone electric starting system. The engine of the vehicle is fully air-cooled to ensure better performance even at the time of warmer days. Its electric starting system is so much easy to operate in which you can easily ride on all types of road surfaces and terrains, and it is considered the most popular best remote control car for 9-year-olds in the whole Europe. Another best feature of this electric 4-wheeler for 9-year-old is that it is based on both backward and forward riding experience, which is fun to do all the time. The maximum load of the vehicle is 198 pounds, which makes it ideal for kids. Its only drawback has been its expensive market price. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is XtremepowerUS Mini Gas Pocket Motorcycle Bike 4. This bike is great for the driveway and riding fun with ease. It comes trendy with the front and rear disc brakes and massive 11-inch pneumatic road tires. This pocket bike is completely outfitted. It has a tubular metal body for greater inflexible stability. The bike goes up to 18 miles per hour and it has a lot of energy to pass a rider up to 165 pounds. This is a gas-powered Power Wheel car for a 9-year-old model that features an electric-powered system for ease of use. With vast front and rear tires, there is not too a great deal to fear when it comes to stability. Plus, the tires sample ensures applicable traction on all kinds of terrains so that your youngster doesn't have any limitations in his or her adventures. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.